This is an '02 Ford Mustang with the V6 convertible. I'm replacing the front AC shaft seal. Now, there's videos already out there on how to remove the clutch, remove the pulley, but I never found a video on how to do removing of the seal. Here, I'm gonna show you a quick video. If you could see, the seal is in there. It's way in the back. I already pulled it towards the front. It wasn't hard. And all I used was this little pick. Try to grab the metal part that's in that seal and it'll slide forward. Hold on, let me use my other hand. See how it just slides in and out? There it is. There's the seal. Pause real quick. Let's see.